Good afternoon, teacher and companions. Unit 1 to Activity 5 Speaking Stage. Personal presentation and application of present simple and continuous. Present to María Cristina Otálora. Present B. Jamie Catherine Becerra. Sogamoso, noviembre del 2018. Part 1. Identify document. My personal present. My name is Jamie Catherine Becerra. I am 24 years old. I was born in the municipality of Fusagasugá, department of Cundinamarca. I currently live in Sogamoso, department of Boyacá. I am a student environment engineering, currently course A semester. My marital status is compromised. I am currently studying and working as an administrative assistant. I like listen to music. I like sing and I love Mexican food. I don't like miss only pupils. Description of the photography. They are my family. We are in the Tolima department, in the city of Melgar. We are on vacation mid-years with my uncles, my mom, my brothers and friends. The weather is warm. There is a lot of diversity of fauna and flora. The food is delicious and is one beautiful place of Colombia for visit. Description of the photography number 2. I am with my best friend. His name Jasmine. I am traveling in Aquitania in the lake of Tota. We are knowing this nice place of Boyacá. The weather is cool and we ride by boat. We were playing in the sun and resting on the litter. We don't like to swim and since the weather is very cold. We are talking to return someday with the family. Daily routines. I go up the 6 a.m. morning. I will make my bed and organize my closet. I brush my teeth. 10 I go to bed. 10 I go dressed. And I go down to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I am going to work at 7 a.m. morning. I work as assist administration. I go out to lunch at 20 p.m. At and 12:30 I arrived at my house to have lunch. I rested and later to return work. 2:30 p.m. I finished work day 6 p.m. afternoon. I arrived at my house and 6:30 prepared dinner and 7:30 p.m. 10 I go to room to rest and watching TV and 9:30 and studied until 12 at night. I brushed 10 to 12:30 and I am going to set the alarm to wake at 6 a.m. as every morning to start my new routine. Thanks for your attention. Bye.